Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to change your Netflix password. So this guide is for when you already know your current password, but you simply want to upgrade it for better security. So now, without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. To start, you will need to use a web browser on your computer or phone, as you can't do this from most TV apps. Simply go to your browser and then go to netflix.com. Make sure that you're signed in. Now, from the drop-down menu that appears at the top right, simply click on Account. Now, once you do that, this will take you to your main account page. In the Overview section, here you should be able to see a section called Security. Click on that, and right away you'll be able to see an option called Password. And then all you have to do is simply enter your current password, whatever password you have, then enter your new password and re-enter that new password, and then click on Save. And just like that, you will be able to change to a new password. So there's also another way to do this. So go back to the main overview section, and here in the account section itself, if you scroll down a little bit, you will see an option called Update Password. Simply click on that option. You will be automatically redirected to the Change Password page, as you can see here, and then simply do the same process. Enter your current password, the new password, and re-enter the new password. But there is one thing that you should know before you save. You will see a very important checkbox at the very bottom, which you can see here. It says Sign Out of All Devices. I highly recommend checking this box. So this is a crucial security step that forces anyone who might be logged in on other devices, like an old TV or a friend's phone, to sign back in and simply use the new password. Now, once you've checked this box, simply click on the Save button and you are all good to go. So that's it. Your Netflix password has been updated across the entire account. It's a good security practice to do this every few months. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.